Welcome. In Quick HMI you can insert audio files into your project. After this you can use these audios with controls, variables and more. Click on Audio Resources in the Project Explorer. With the plus button, you can select the desired audio files you want to use in your project. To delete files again, mark the files to be deleted and use the X button. Created audio resources can now be used in conjunction with control elements. For example, a sound will play when a button is activated. To do this, select the control element, in this case the button, and create a new click event under Actions in the element settings. For a new action function, click the plus button and select Play Audio under Command. After this, you can select your desired sound under Audio File. It also makes sense to use sounds in conjunction with alarms. If you create a new alarm variable, you can assign a sound file, already in the creating dialog. More informations can be found in the Integrate Audio Resources chapter in our detailed software documentation. This is linked in the video description.